Hello, teacher.
Hi guys, how are you all? I'm hearing that next week is your star, is it?
It's
Yeah,
on
on
Wednesday.
Wednesday is our star.
Okay.
I've been
Miss Priya.
practicing. I've been doing like practice tests and doing like worksheets.
Oh, that's nice. How are you doing, Vihan? You're too quiet.
I did the ELA star test.
Okay, but have you been practicing with Math Star for
Yeah,
Math?
I've been doing the practice test.
Okay, nice to know. Okay, so is there a particular topic or something that you want to review from your end?
No.
Not really.
I'm not sure
I
because
think I have one.
What is it?
Hold on.
If you
because
can, yeah.
I've checked like all of the previous STAR tests, but not like all of them include everything we've learned in sixth grade. So
Leaf plots.
I see. Pranav, is there anything for you? Each of you can tell, guys.
7 leaf plots.
yeah, those I've noticed that there's a lot of like plots and all
Yeah.
that stuff in the STAR more than like in teachers or any of that stuff.
Okay. Did you all do the test number 5?
What did you say?
Yes.
I did that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I did that too.
How did you all do?
I didn't.
I think for question 14 or 15,
Yeah.
instead of
advanced
A,
teacher.
AB, I bet ABB.
1 minute. I'm going
For
to.
one of them,
Question
it's
14 is wrong.
Okay, ma. 1 minute.
it said to find the mode, but I just picked
There
like
was no mode.
I just picked like the biggest number.
I
Same.
just picked A because I
Miss
didn't know.
Priya?
Can you hear me? Oh.
Yeah. Question number?
14, I think.
Yeah,
because I didn't. There wasn't any mode for that.
so I just picked like the biggest number.
Miss Priya?
Oh my goodness. Guys. There is an answer, okay? That 6th grade. Yeah, Kanishka. What is that you want to say?
My math teacher gave me this worksheet for
Uh-huh.
like star and
Uh-huh.
like all the units we've been working on. And
Uh-huh.
then there was like some unit I wanted to like ask about because I was struggling on that.
Mm-hmm.
So let me just go to it real quick.
Oh, sure. Okay, guys. Number 14. What is the correct answer, guys?
I picked C.
You know
I picked the
what?
largest
Question
A,
is not the question is not incorrect, guys.
but I also asked Google and it said there was no mode. And so,
You put it in Google?
I mean, since I didn't really understand, like, I thought there was like no mode, so I just asked Google just in case, and it said there's no
See,
mode
there's
also.
absolutely nothing wrong in asking Google. I am supporter of that indeed. Okay, please understand that. Okay, okay. So Google is saying there is no mode, is it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay. Good to know. You know what? Yeah,
Google,
yeah. Go ahead.
I put it in for Google. It said like maybe just pick like the biggest number.
That is true. You know why?
I-
That is true. That's what I was about to tell you. That
I picked C.
Same.
Yeah, same.
okay.
I'm struggling.
Okay. If you when you put it in Google, Google did not tell you. Google is making a mistake then. Okay, let me tell you. Some homeowners were asked which kind of repair they made in their home recently. So this is a data set of all homeowners. Okay. So homeowner, okay, let's see this one. So see, homeowner one. So he picked roof. Window. Plumbing, 15 plumbings. Air conditioner, 12. In this data set, which is, which, meaning, mode represents the most occurring, right? Which one is the most occurring homeowner?
Plumbing.
Oh.
See?
I was a bit
It was an
confused.
awakening.
That makes sense.
I was
Wait,
a bit
if you
confused
put the same data on like a dot plot or something, you would.
Exactly. That gives
You
you the.
should
See,
probably
that's why.
read the
See,
question more efficiently.
no. The question was worded correctly. Here, the thing is your understanding of the concept of mode. You get it? This is a very common question where kids make
Because,
mistakes.
like,
That's why I added that in this test.
because our math teachers, when they taught us like mode, median, and range, like for mode, they would say like just pick the
Now,
node.
see,
usually
Adrit.
the number that
Yeah.
is, like,
I hear you, Adrit, but you have to understand what the data set is about. You see, meaning most occurrence, whichever has the most occurrence. So, when you look at this data set, it talks about the type of repair. Okay, the type of repair. Which is the type of repair that occurs most? You tell me. Plumbing, right? So it depends on the data set. Yes, you are picking the number that occurs most. That's what you're doing. But the data is presented in a different way here. That's all. You will have to segregate, analyze, comprehend that this is all about the type of home repair. Which type of home repair occurs most? Plumbing. Got it?
yeah.
Good. Any other questions? See, these sort of questions are awakening. That's what I want this class to discuss.
I
Any
sent you in the chat.
Okay. You know what? I have a question. I did not see the results. Okay. Struggling on proportionality. Okay. Okay. Good to know. Okay. I will do that. Hold on. I will get you questions, but I want to see what each of you did. Let me see. Hey, Arush, did you finish the exam, Arush?
BBE.
No, Arush. Yeah. Yeah, Aniket. Yes.
I did.
One second, ma. I just want to understand how each of you did. So please hold on. 1 minute. Okay. Okay, nice. Okay, nice. 32, 31, 29. Pranavi, did you not focus when taking the test?
I did.
Who is Show Sangeet?
Oh, that's my mom.
Oh, okay.
I think wait, did I do it on her account?
Yeah, that's okay, ma. I just want to know. Sashikanti, who is Sashikanti?
That's my mom.
Okay, I just want to know. Okay. Okay, good. Good to know. Okay, that's good. Vaibhav, you've done well. But Pranavi, did you understand and do things?
Hmm.
Did you focus?
Yeah.
Okay, so you all saw your scores as well, right?
I forgot mine.
Yeah,
You
I saw
forgot?
mine.
That's
But
okay.
I forgot mine.
I forgot mine, but like
if you
I
click on the test, it
like-
doesn't show you your score. It
I
just
was
makes you
I was
just
about to see my score, but then I accidentally clicked on submit a new response.
No problem. You made 2 mistakes, Vaibhav. Okay. Can I go ahead now?
Yes.
Now you know what I'm going to review today. Wait, let me quickly get that. Wait. 2 minutes, guys. Okay, somebody sent me some message regarding what to review and stuff. What was that message? Okay, proportionality I got. Is there any other topic?
Inequalities.
Inequalities. Okay.
lots.
Can we review percentages again?
Percentages.
Yeah, those two like
proportionality.
especially those problems where
Because like I make some mini mistakes on like
Oh, okay. Benchmark. Oh, wait a minute.
especially this percentages problem, like what is the percentage of
Yeah, like
number?
100%. Like, yeah.
Because sometimes I get it a bit wrong.
Okay.
Sometimes I put like what is the percent in decimal form, and I put like 30, like if the percent is 37.5, I put the decimal as 37.5 and not 0.375.
Also, some like expressions.
I see. Then what? Like this, you should be able to tell me.
I think that's it. No, wait. I only struggle a little bit in geometry and measurement, but like that's it. Everything else is fine.
Okay, let's go ahead. 1 minute, guys. Okay. Tanishka, any topics for you?
No, I'm good.
You have worked out the previous year's question papers, Tanishka?
I was doing the
I'm listening. Go ahead.
the 45 questions.
Did you have any problem?
No.
Okay. Then I'll go ahead and share some questions. Let's see. We are going to go ahead and do. So, let me. Pranavi, did you have any topics, particularly?
Not. No.
No, not really. Okay. Okay, I respect your not really, but at the same time, I want you to be sure and make sure you understood the topics we have discussed, and you should be able to pick out topics where you find it tough. That is the main part, actually. Okay, how about this? Come on, simplify this expression. You're going to simplify this expression. Yeah, go ahead.
Inequalities.
Inequality. Okay. We'll do all the topics that you said. We are going to discuss. Go ahead. The whatever questions we are going to discuss are not going to be easy, but at the same time, we will be working towards star. Let's see. We'll go through one by one, but the faster you do, the easier it is for me. Let's see. Is that right, Vaibhav? Let me see, Vaibhav. That's incorrect, Vaibhav. That's incorrect, Sid. Oh wow, guys, you're giving me a heart attack.
I sent my answer.
I'm still
That's
solving.
incorrect, Pranavi. That's correct, Varnika.
Wait, what did you say?
That's incorrect, Pranavi. That's correct, Varnika, I said.
Oh.
Yeah.
I resent my answer.
Resent your answer.
Same.
Tanishka, not really. Sid, good job. But why did you make the mistake the first time? Nobody is going to come and correct Sid, Vaibhav and Sid. Okay? When I say you are incorrect, then you are giving me right answers. What to do? Where did you make the mistake?
I sent my answer.
Nobody will give you a second chance. Karthik, that's not correct.
Oh, sorry. I typed it in wrong.
Okay, you can send it to me again. But please tell me what mistake did you make, Sid and Vihan, I need your answer. Sid and Vaibhav.
No, Miss Priya.
I subtracted the wrong number.
I accidentally I did 4 to the power of 2 instead of 4 to the power of 3.
Oh my goodness. Kanishka, that's incorrect, ma. Okay, guys. Now, there are you can check ma in the chat, okay? First, if you don't get the answer, then raise the questions. Tanishka, did you get the answer? Tanishka, did you get the answer?
I'm doing it again.
Is mine correct?
You're going to ask me if you did not get a reply in the chat.
I did not get a reply.
Okay, thanks.
I did not get a reply.
The mistake I made was the number looked like
Sid, I called you out. You don't have to call out. I did call you out. That it was right. Yama, what is that?
for me the 5 looked like a 3, so that's why at the end I
Oh, okay. The what is appearing on the screen you're saying, huh?
No. Well, it was on my paper. I wrote a little message.
Okay, how about this? Okay, I'm going to revise a lot. Okay, I'm also give you on all the topics that you listed, I'm going to give you an assignment as well. How about that? Go ahead and do that. Okay, oh, before that, right? Sorry, guys. I really want to solve for some of those who didn't get it correct. Sorry, ma, I forgot. Okay, so let me go ahead and show you how to get this right. 4 cube minus, right? This is in this square brackets, right? So let's do that first. 2 times 10 minus 2 cube is 2, correct? Plus 5 square divided by 5. So here division takes the first place. 4 cube is 64 minus 2 plus. So what happens? 64 minus 2 is 62 plus, oh my gosh, wait. 2 times 2 is 4, guys. 64 minus 4 is 60 plus 5 is a 64.
That's the same thing I did. I did 64 minus 2.
Okay, Kanishka, where did you make the mistake, ma? Kanishka?
Me?
Yeah, where did you make the mistake?
Miss Priya, I got something completely, I got something different.
Different? Okay, why didn't you explain?
So what I did was that I first did 10 minus 2 to the power of 3. So then 2 to the power of 3. I got 8. So then I did 10 minus 8, which would be 2. So then I did 2 times 2, which would be 4.
No, ma. Wait, ma. Let me write down. Tell me, ma. Sorry. Tell me from the first.
So first I did 10 to the power of 2.
Where? Wait. Where is 10 to the power of 2?
It was in the first line. No, 10 to the, no, not 10 to the power of 2. 2 to the power of 3, my bad. I said it wrong.
2 to the power of 3 you did, okay. 2 to the power of 3 was what?
8. So then I did 10 minus, wait, no. That's what I did wrong.
I know. Can I move on?
I accidentally added all 4s and like 4 plus 4 plus 4 instead of doing 4 times 4 times 4.
Go to the second problem. Let's write it down as a second problem. Put the question number and please answer. Otherwise, I won't have track. So put the question number and then answer.
Teacher, what does transcribed mean?
Oh my goodness. Where is transcribed? Where is transcribed?
So like in the meeting, it said this meeting is being transcribed. So like, what does it mean?
I don't know. Wait, ma. Even I have seen that, but I really don't know what is that. Meaning, I think transcribed means it's being written down as documented. That's all. But I don't know why it gives that. I don't know. With AI, I really don't know what's going on. Let me see.
I also have another question.
I think it's whenever like you record something.
The negative sign, like next to the 2x, is it saying that 2x minus 7 is negative?
Okay, good questions. Okay, this one I'll solve. See guys, here when you have a negative sign only in front, right, it's like a -1 there. Okay, if there is a bracket, I need to distribute this minus, right? When I distribute, whatever is inside, right, becomes the opposite. So this becomes minus 2x. When this minus times minus comes in, that becomes plus. You got it? Now I can combine these two, so it becomes 2x plus 7. You got it?
Oh.
Did you get it?
Yeah.
This will not be as easy as star, guys. You need to be taking this. Okay, this will not be as easy as star. Okay, because there's no point revising for star. It has to be a little up. Okay, go ahead with this. Go ahead with the third question. I'm going to put it as third question. Please put down the question number and then send me the answer. Okay.
Is my answer?
1 minute, ma. Sorry, ma. I don't want you to be asking. 1 minute, ma. I will check each one. Hold on.
I sent my answer.
Good job. Okay, let me reply in chat. Adrit, what is this, Adrit? I need the question number
Oh,
and then the answer. I'm
wait,
not
my
able
bad.
to
I forgot to
understand,
put
right,
the answer.
ma? Yeah, if I cry, then you have made a mistake.
Miss Priya, could I go use the bathroom real quickly?
Aniket, what is going on? Yes, ma. Go and come back.
There's nothing
I
on
sent
it.
it again.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
Sid, again, Sid, I'm saying you're wrong and then you're getting me correct answer. I feel like crying really if that happens. So you know, but you're not careful, right?
I'm kind of not sure about
No
this.
problem. See, there are a couple of people who are in clear, and that's okay. Does not matter at all. Each one will have different question as issues. It's fine. Which equation translates a number y? A number y increased by 15 means y plus 15 is always means equal to. Okay, twice the number. Twice the number is 2y decreased by 4. You got it? Who didn't get it now? Who didn't get it? Okay, now let's see this one. Now we come to inequality. Whatever topics you have asked, I'm going to get you some questions. So let's see. We will review whatever you have asked. Please go ahead now. Go ahead, guys. Okay, how are we going to solve the inequality? Can I solve or do you want to solve? Who wants to solve and try or who wants me to solve? Come on. Yeah, Kanishka
can
wants
solve.
Yeah, go ahead, Kanishka. You can solve it on the board. Come on.
Teacher, is x divided by -2 attached to -4?
X divided by -2 is a fraction.
Is it attached to -4 though?
No, x divided by -2, -4 is less than 6. What is the first step here? Tell me what is the first step. You should always have variables on one side. Rest of it should go. Don't disturb this at all. Okay, last is when we'll disturb that. What should I do
Add
first?
4.
Add 4. Good job. Add 4. Let me go ahead and do. X by -2 is less than 10. However, now I have to go to that term that has the variable, this one.
Times 10. Times 2.
Times 2 or -2? I want only the variable. I don't want the minus and also times -2. Only catch, which I have not told you guys, I think, okay? In inequalities, when you have an inequality is this. This is an equation. When you have inequalities, please remember, when you have inequalities, when you multiply by a negative number or divide by a negative number, your sign should flip. You got it? Your sign should flip. Did you get it, guys?
Teacher, do you mind if you can say that again?
Yeah.
When in an inequality, whenever you multiply or divide by a negative number, your sign should flip. You got it?
Okay. Negative or negative. When you divide or multiply by a negative number.
Negative number. Yes, you will have to remember that. Got it? Okay, now you're going to try this one. Fifth one is easy. You're all going to try. Fifth question. You're all going to try. We learned something today. In an inequality, whenever you have a negative sign, you're going to flip.
I sent my answer for question 5.
You're all doing 5, right, ma? Varnika, I'm waiting for your 5th answer, ma.
I didn't get a reply from my answer.
Wait, ma, I'm just checking, right? Siddh.
Is my answer correct?
Tanishka. Please check your message, Tanishka.
I sent mine for 5.
Varnika, can you check your answer, ma? What is that you're doubtful, Varnika? Aniket, good job, Aniket. Aniket, have you taken the test, Aniket, already?
Wait, Miss Priya, can I do it on the board?
Which test?
Yeah, you want to do on the board? Go ahead, ma. The acceleration test, Aniket.
Yeah.
You've done it?
Yeah.
Okay, good to know. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
I am. What is happening?
You know what is happening. I know what is happening. Go ahead. You added.
For me,
Yeah.
it
Go
said,
ahead. Go ahead. Now it'll be fine. You added 5 to both sides. Go ahead, ma. It'll work.
let me just rewrite over here. This looks good.
Sanskriti, are you getting? Are you getting, ma?
So I'm right now solving for 4 right now.
Okay, solve and tell me. I'll wait for you. 4 and 5, I need answers.
Wait. Is this 5 or 15?
That you have to tell me. You have written down, right?
It's 15.
Because
It's 15.
oh, right. I forgot. I have to divide it by 3.
So what happened?
And then if it's x is less than or equal to 5, it has to be equal to 5 or less than, so this is the only one.
X equal to 6 is the only one that's not obeying. Sanskriti, what is the answer for 4?
4, I got B.
No, right, ma. I solved it on the board. Were you seeing or not? X by
I was
minus 2.
so
Add 4 to both sides. X by minus 2 is less than 10. Now you multiply by a negative number. If you multiply or divide by a negative number, you have to flip the sign. So x is greater than minus 20. Answer is C. Did you get it, Sanskriti?
Yes, I did. Thank you for
Okay,
clarifying that.
No problem. You need to be careful, but I want you. Tanishka, are you answering, ma?
Yeah, I resent mine.
You resend yours? Okay, let me see. Okay, this is a good one. Okay, simple question, but that's a good one. Let's see. Okay, you're going to solve these 2 questions. You're going to tell me the answer, okay? Number 6, 7th one, 6 and 7. Please send proper answers with the question numbers. Otherwise, I can't track. Maximum capacity is 120 people.
I did
Good
number
job.
6.
Aniket, that's right. Pranavi,
I-
that's right. Varnika, incorrect, Varnika. Maximum capacity. Maximum capacity is 120. Maximum capacity is C. C is the letter that tells about the maximum capacity. So what should
Wait,
be the answer? Uh,
for number 7, did it say x is equal to 2, or is it saying solve for just for x? Is it saying x is equal to 2?
we are solving question number 6.
I'm done with that one, so I'm doing 7.
No, I can't go just like that without getting answers from everybody, right? So, which inequality models the phrase maximum capacity is 120 people? Maximum capacity is C. Okay, C can have a maximum of 120. That means C has to be less than or equal to 120. The next one, I said, right, this distribution I have never taught you. Okay, the 2 that's outside the parenthesis should be distributed. It's like an ice cream that's being given to all the members of the family. So 2 times x is 2x. Then 2 times 3 is 6. Greater than, Pranavi, did you get that, Pranavi? You asked me, right, Amma?
I thought
Pranavi, did I clarify your question?
So x isn't equal to 2?
I don't know. I have to check. Shall we do and see?
No, like I was like, you know how it says x and then this dot.
That means solve for x is the question. Okay, the question reads this. You got it?
I thought it meant like equal.
No, no, no. You got it,
so
ma?
Yeah.
Okay. Sid, go ahead.
so like we have 2x minus 6. Does that mean like
Yeah, go ahead.
never mind.
Divide by 2, x is greater than minus 1 is the answer. Got it? Arnav, are you getting it, Arnav?
Oh, yes.
Okay. Okay, I really want to do more, I feel here. Okay, let's see this one. Okay. Okay, I'm going to give you like a test. Let's see how many of you get all the 3 right.
I don't really get number 8.
No problem, I'm here to help you.
What does it mean by circle?
For number 9, so is it saying 40 included with the 100 or without the 100?
Okay, ninth is a hard one. Okay. Can you do 8? Just tell me 8, this is the answer. 9, I don't know. 10, you can give me the answer. Everything is fine for me, but I want to see all the 3 answers from all of you. Can we try?
Is number 8 correct?
I'll tell you together. Ma. Okay. Oh, that's so hard. Wait, guys. I'll check, guys. Give me a minute, guys. Please put the choices, ma. Since I'm checking 3.
I sent all 3 answers.
Oh my goodness.
I sent 2 of the answers.
Is mine right?
1 minute, ma. Sanskriti. Sanskriti, it's incorrect, ma. What is going on, guys? Tanishka, the first one is correct. I'm just confused based on meaning. Several of you have not done it correctly. Tanishka, please send the option number, ma. When I'm checking all the 3, right? It's easier if you send the option number, right?
I sent my answer for all 3 of the questions.
Wait, ma, Adrit. I'm talking to Tanishka. Okay, now I'm going to check everybody's.
There is no option number for tens.
Oh, sorry, that is the problem, huh? Okay,
Yeah.
thanks, Tanishka for clarifying.
Yeah, like I typed in 10.
But then your answer is incorrect, Tanishka. I'll tell you why. The last answer is incorrect. The last answer is incorrect. 1 minute. Tanishka, your 9th answer is incorrect as well. Yes, Sanskriti, your 9th answer is correct. 8th answer you have to redo.
Tanishka or Tanishka?
Kanishka, I did not call yet. Okay. Vaibhav, where is 8th? You have to put it in order, right?
Yeah, but like I was confused on the 8th and then I figured it out. So like
The thing is incorrect. The last one is incorrect.
Or 8.
Yeah.
Miss Priya, can you check if my 8th and 9th are correct?
No, wait, ma. I'm going one by one, right? You cannot intervene in between. It's so hard to, because this is like a test. I thought how many of you are getting all 3 right is what I'm going to see. So Arnav,
Excuse me, teacher.
wait, ma. Let me finish.
Yeah.
Arnav,
Yeah.
8th is incorrect. Okay.
Oh, what about the 9th and
9th
10th?
is correct. 9th is correct. 10th is correct. Can you do the 8th one?
Oh, okay.
Varnika, 8th is correct. 9th is not correct, ma. 10th, I did not get your answer, Varnika.
For the
Pranav,
10th one, are we solving for x or something?
we are solving for x, right?
Okay.
You have to say the value of x. Pranavi, I don't see any of your answers, okay? I need the proper question numbers with the answer that I already told you.
I sent them 8 and 10. I didn't know number 9.
Oh, you sent 8 and 10.
Okay, I sent the 10th one.
It sent 8, but for 9 it's saying 1.
Okay.
And then
I see. Okay, now your 10th one is incorrect. 8th is correct. Aniket, please wait. You should have some patience, guys, because you cannot keep on intervening, right? And going one by one for all the 3 nicely. Aniket, 8th is incorrect, ma. 9th and 10th are right, okay? Varnika, you're going to watch for the 10th one. I think you're a little confused, okay? Sid, 8th and 10th, I'll do it on the board. Adrit, 8th is correct, 9th is correct, 10th is as well, seems correct. But let's see. Kanishka, yes, ma. 8th and 9th are correct. 10th is an inequality. I don't know how you got a correct answer. It's an inequality, you have to send it to me, right? Aniket, 8 is correct. Okay. Now, let's see. Karthik, did I miss somebody? Now you raise up. Okay. Karthik, your 9th one is right, ma. But 8 and 10 I did not get. Did I miss anybody, guys?
Did you see my last answer? That was a typo and I sent a follow-up to that.
Okay. Sanskriti, your 8th is incorrect, 9th is correct, 10th is correct. Okay, Vaibhav, I'm checking last year's. 8th is correct, Vaibhav. Okay, now let's go ahead and I'm going to do it for you guys, okay? See guys, what they're asking is x is greater than or equal to minus 2, correct? Greater than or equal to means x is also equal to minus 2 but greater than or equal to, right? So this is x is greater than or equal to minus 2. Do you see it? That is a closed circle. Closed circle at minus 2. Shaded left or shaded right? Which is correct?
Right?
Right.
Shaded right. Good job.
Because of the arrow.
What, ma? Because of the?
My math teacher taught me that if it's pointing this way, that means the arrow's going.
Oh wow, that's a good one. Yes, that means the arrow is going to the right. If it is like this, good job.
Wait, what does it mean by closed circle?
Closed circle, this
sorry,
is a closed
open
circle.
circle?
Open circle is this. Meaning, this is the case when you have x is greater than minus 2.
If it has like if it's a closed circle, then like if it's like x is equal to or greater than or less than, then it would be a closed circle. If it was just like x is greater than 2 or something, then it would have open dot.
Did you see that? Did you hear what Pranavi said?
Yeah.
Okay, meaning x is greater than or equal to 2 means what I have is
Basically, if it's like if the less or greater than sign has a line under it, it's a closed dot.
do you get it? X is also equal to 2 here, so you shade the dot. X is not equal to 2 here, you don't shade the dot. Got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Renting a car. This one everybody had a hard time. Most of you. Renting a car costs $40 base fee plus 0.15 times the number of miles you drive. Okay. You can spend a maximum of 100. So this is your spending. Okay. This has to be less than or equal to 100. Correct? So what do? Let's find out. Subtract 40 on both sides. 0.15, the number of miles will be less than or equal to 60. Correct? Now divide by 0.15, divide by 0.15. What happens here? M is less than or equal to, M is the number of miles, right? So 6,000 divided by 15, right? So it will be 400. Did you get it? M is less than or equal to. M is less than or equal to 400 means the maximum number of miles that you can do. M has to be, the max value of M has to be 400. Make sense?
But teacher, I put that for my answer though, but you said it was incorrect.
Okay. Let me see, Ma Varnika. I'm checking, Ma. You know what? Ninth one, you have a B, you have a D. I really don't get what you have written there. You see, that's why I said. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
So you have a B as well as a D. I really did not understand what you have it there. That is why.
Because I didn't understand if the question meant with the 40 or without the 40.
Ah, then that's not right, right? You did not understand what was asked. Correct. Correct, Ma. So that is why I said
I thought there was like two different possibility questions.
This one definitely has only one, Ma. What is the maximum number of miles is 400 and you should always consider the base fee. Did I make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Solve the inequality. 15 minus 3x. Good. I'm glad we are asking. Here. What will I do, guys? Subtract 15 on both sides. You get minus 3x is less than 15. Now what do I do? One of you tell me.
3x divide by minus 3.
So what will happen if I divide by minus 3?
And then x is less than minus 5.
No, you'll have to flip. You're dividing by a negative. See, you cannot forget this. X is greater than minus 5. You got it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, somebody asked for proportionality, right? Proportionality percentage is pending, right? Yeah, I need to do that now. Let's see. We'll do some 5 problems on that. Okay, how about this? Okay. Let's do this. Do this one. Come on, guys. 2 questions, right? Now, just be patient with me, please. After you send the answers, I'll definitely review.
Can I go get water?
Sure, ma.
Can I go get a sharp?
Yes, ma.
What question number should we put for our answers?
Oh, sorry, ma. Thank you, Vaibhav. You're so awesome. You can put 17 and 18. Vaibhav, is this easier for you?
Sort of.
Sort of. Okay. Are you working on the alchemist thing?
Yeah.
Okay. This is a hard one. 17th I've never taught you, so I don't know how you guys will do.
Are my what do you call it, answers correct?
1 minute, I'm checking. So, okay. Wow, Karthik, interesting. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Karthik, both are right. Oh, wow, Arnav, both are right. Sanskriti, how did you do, ma? Can you do it on the board? Sanskriti for 17. Sanskriti, please do it on the board. Vaibhav, both are right. Aniket, please read the question for 18. 17th is right. Aniket, I want you to reread and resend. Varnika, good job, ma. 17th is incorrect. Varnika, can you do it on the board for 17? I really want to understand what was the mistake. Adrit, both are right. Siddh, what is that, Siddh? Can you do it on the board as well? 17th. 18th is right. No. Yeah. Sid, your 17th is incorrect. 18th is right. Vihan. Okay. What are you doing? Vihan, both are incorrect, ma, Vihan. Vihan, you are not reading the question. Did you read the question? This is correct. 80 minus 64 is 16. But that's not the percentage, guys. That is really not the percentage. That is a number, meaning dollar amount that decreased. So the decrease or increase in percentage, right? How do you write down the percentage increase or decrease? $16 decrease, okay? That you need to find out. $16 is what percentage of 80? Is what percent of 80 you need to find out. 80 is your original price. So you need to find out 16 is what percentage of 80?
20%.
20%. You got oh guys, yeah, you're so confusing. Yeah, so yeah.
Oh, I understand what I did wrong.
Yeah, you got it. Okay. Now the answer for this one is B. But see the 18th one, several of you see what percentage of the choir member are boys. This is girls. So boys is 2 by 5. You have to convert to percentage. When you convert to percentage, times 20 becomes 40 by 100, 40 percentage. You got it? Did you get it, guys? Okay, how about this? Okay, unit rate. Percentage and unit rate. Okay, let's try. Proportionality, all these are related. 9 and 10. Now, please, with fresh page, let's start. 9 and 10. BB. The last answers were BB. Tanishka, you're not answering, ma? Are you? Yeah. You are. Good job. Yes.
Priya.
Yes, ma. Go ahead.
I ripped out like all my things on my pencil.
It's 9 and 10.
Yeah, ma.
Like it's just like has no wrapper. It's
Sure. Go ahead.
Miss Priya, I have a question. What number would we write? What question number would we write for this?
This is the question number, right, ma? 9 and 10.
Okay, just write.
Wait, it turned into a blur, Miss Priya.
Yeah.
What, ma?
Sorry, back to normal now.
No, please tell me what was it. I didn't understand.
It like zoomed out for me, and when I tried to
It was a blur. It was a blur for a few
You
seconds.
are true. It zoomed out again. Sorry. It zoomed out. I'm sorry. Now it's okay? Okay.
Yeah.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
for number 9, I got my answer.
I sent my answer for both of them.
Uh-huh.
I also sent my answer for both of them.
Okay, this one is wait, ma. I need to check the answer. Just be patient with me, guys. Give me a minute. I'll check. In a minute, I'll check.
Give me a second. I'm still like.
Varnika, 9 is correct, ma. 10, can you check once more?
I don't get Miss 10.
See,
I don't
Varnika,
get.
the problem is meters in minutes they have given, but they're asking the unit rate in second. Did you all see that?
Oh, I didn't see
See,
that.
that's the problem. That's the problem. You got it wrong, Varnika. I'm so sad. Guys, good job, Sid. Both are correct. Vihan, both are correct. Aniket, that's right, waiting for your 10th. Adrit, 1 minute, ma, let me finish, ma. Adrit, 9th is correct, 10th I did not get, okay. Vaibhav, I don't know, same mistake, Vaibhav, you're not reading the question on the 10th one. They've given the minute and asking for the second. That's a tricky question. Sanskriti, 9 is correct, I did not get your 10th. Karthik, both are right. Very nice job, Karthik. Pranavi, 9th is correct, I did not get your 10th. Tanishka, I want your answers too.
I sent mine.
I sent my.
Aniket, both are right, ma. Adrit, both are right.
Miss Priya?
Vaibhav, that's right. Yes.
I sent mine. I sent both of mine.
So, Vaibhav, did you not see the second? On the second one?
Yeah.
I feel like crying, really. Kids that are not seeing the second. See, reading the question is your utter responsibility. Okay? You're focusing and reading the question is what is so required in STAR as well. Okay, everybody's responsibility is that you cannot take that away from you. Meaning, just like that, you answer and come back. That's something not acceptable at all. Sanskriti, correct, ma.
Excuse me, teacher.
Yeah, ma.
May I get water?
Please go ahead, ma. Okay. Arnav. That's correct, Arnav. Good job, Arnav. Very nice. Okay, now let's see. I really want to go ahead with harder ones. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay. Can I give you 2 hard questions, guys? Is that okay? Okay. Let's do 2 hard questions now.
I sent both my answers. Are they correct?
check. I need to check, right? Just be patient with me, guys. I'm checking, okay? Uh, let's see, ma. I'll check one by one now, guys. Just be patient with me, okay? Okay, now Karthik. What is going on, Karthik? You were getting everything right. 1 and 2, both are wrong. Something went wrong. Okay, let's see. Wait. 19 and 20. Why, where are you going wrong? Proportionality, Kanishka, these are all on proportionality, ma. You got it? I'm a little off. 19. Aniket, 19 is correct. Adrit, both are right. Vaibhav, both are right. Vihan, 19 is correct. Siddh, both are right. Tanishka, both are right. Any questions? Who has a question on that? A blueprint scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometer. Actual distance between the landmark is 112.5 kilometer. They are asking the centimeter equivalent. What do? You have to make a proportion, right? What proportion should you make? Yeah, 1 by
1 centimeter is equal to 25 kilometers. So x centimeters is equal to 112.5 kilometers.
Here you multiplied by 12, right? By
and then you
25.
divide by 25.
25. But you want to find out x, so let's come from there to here. So 25 was divided by 25. So here as well you need to divide by 25. That is your unknown value. What is that? 112.5 divided by 25 you need to do, which is 1125. Multiply by 10, multiply by 10. Divide by 250. So when you divide by 25 both numerator and denominator, you get a 45 and then a 10, then 4.5. So C is the answer. Now a new car costs $15,000. It depreciates by 12%. If it comes down by 12% of the cost, then it came to 88%. 88% of 15,000 you need to find out. For this you need to multiply 88 times 150. 88 times 150 is what? So 8 5s are 40, 8 5s are 40, 48, 49, 50, 15, 52. 8 1s 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So this is the answer. Makes sense? So whenever a car depreciates by 12% means it came down to 88% of its value. Whenever a car, let's say this appreciates, then what do you need to calculate? What is that you'll calculate? Karthik, what is that you'll calculate?
Like, it's the amount it gains.
Yeah, it gains is 12% means what will you calculate? What percentage you'll calculate? If it says appreciates, what will be the value? It will be by 12% means the car value is 100%. So if it appreciates by 12% means you will find 112% of 15,000 for the next year. You got it?
Yeah, I think I see what I did a mistake.
Mistake on. Okay. So can I give you the homework on all the topics that you asked me? Expressions, proportionality, inequality, and what else you asked?
Percentage.
Percentage I've included.
Miss Priya,
Yeah, ma.
I have some questions on proportions that we could use.
Yeah, where is it? Tell me.
Like this one. Can you see it?
Yeah, but see, you have to tell me, read out the question.
One question says, a 8.5-ounce bag of Flaming Hot Cheetos sells $3.06. What is
Can
the
you send a picture to me?
Yeah, I can send pictures.
Yeah. Why don't you send a picture to me? I'll work it out and send to you. Is that okay?
Yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, send a picture to me now. Let me see.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Are you sending the details to me, ma? Okay. I'm not going to let you. Okay, I'm going to let you draw on the board since it's the end of the class. Did you send the questions to me, ma, Kanishka? Kanishka, did you
Miss
send?
Priya,
Yeah, ma.
did I get the question we just did correct?
What was the answer? C and B, that is Arnava.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's correct. Good job.
Okay, thanks.
Very nice work. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, Sanskriti, you got it correct as well. Now, whoever has done it, you can leave. Good luck for your star. Okay.
Done what?
Whoever has done the questions, good luck for the star. Kanishka, you send it to Mima. I can work it out and send it to you later.
So for the 19 and 20,
Yeah, ma?
were my answers, I sent the answers, were they
It was
correct?
B and C. It was B and C.
Okay.
You want me to work it out?
Miss Priya,
Yeah.
Good.
my mom sent a picture.
Okay.
If
You
our
want
answer is correct, can we leave?
And I'll send you
Yes,
some
ma.
percent
Yeah,
answer.
problems. Okay. I'll do it after the classes. Okay. Today
Okay.
or tomorrow. Okay. Sure, ma, Kanishka. Good luck with the star, guys.
If our answer is correct, do we leave or do we like
Yes, you
but
can leave, ma. All the best for your star
bye,
exam.
teacher?
Bye, guys. Okay, so now let's go ahead. Hey guys, we okay. I think we had the makeup right for the missed class.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. By mistake, I had said that today was an extended class. I don't think so because I saw the lesson plan. We caught up already. I saw. That's why I wanted to check with you guys. By the way, wait, I have questions for you. One second, guys. Give me 1 minute. One second. Okay. Okay, your class algebra 2. Now, Abhiram, what are you doing in class?
Oh, we're doing Unit 10, which is about oh, which is
Mm-hmm.
which is about like log trend functions and
What?
it's about like log functions.
Log functions. Okay. How about you, Aryan?
We just finished a test on I think it was we have a calculator test coming up and it had some stuff to do with like literacy rates and stuff like that.
Okay,
Similar
so
to that.
they have logically concluded logarithms.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Okay, for Abhiram they have not concluded, right, ma?
Nope.
Okay, interesting. Okay, Harshika, for you?
We just started our logs unit, I think, on Friday.
Oh wow, they've just started.
Yeah.
Okay, that's interesting to me to know. Okay. Okay, I see. Okay. Okay, I was even thinking of starting a little bit of pre-calc, but I think I can do it in another 1 week or 2 weeks, okay, after we finish whatever we are doing. Let's see. Okay, give me 1 minute, guys. I'm going to switch on the light here. we did do what? 837. I remember doing last class, so I'll continue with whatever we had done and then 37. See, I remember very well. Okay. Okay, how about this, guys? I want to do some graphing for logarithmic functions and then word problems and logarithmic functions. Was there any extra assignment given that I want to check as well? Hold on. Okay, I see. Okay, so 837 from the book only we had. Okay. Okay, a basic log graph, guys. Let's do the review on logarithmic functions. Let's see, f of x equal to, let's understand just log x. How will the graph be? And g of x equal to ln x. How will the graph be in both? What is this ln and log?
Log is base 10.
Yeah,
ln
this
is
is
base
base
8.
10. This is base. This is base
E.
E. We call this as natural log. We call this as natural log. Okay. The only difference is this is base E. This is also a logarithmic function. This is also a logarithmic function, but this is base E. Now, guys, when we want to plot this, right? So, what are we going to do for plotting these two? So, I'm going to have some values x and y, x and f of x. So, how am I going to plot this? So, let's go ahead and try. Base 10, let's try. Okay, we will do three values, 0.1, 1 and 10. Base 10, we'll do three values. Okay, x will be equal to 0.1, 1 and 10. 1, 0.1, 0.1 is somewhere here, right? 1 and 10, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so 0.1. 0.1 is what? 0.1, log of 0.1. When you put it in the calculator, you have to put log of x, right? So minus 1, and then you'll have, what do you have? Log 1. See here, log 1 base 10 is a 0, and then you have a log 10. Log 10, when the base and the number is the same, it becomes a 1. So we have these values. So how am I going to plot this? 0.1 is a minus 1. 0.1 is a minus 1. Okay, and then 1 is a 0. 10 is a 1. You see here? It goes like this. Any questions? Any questions on this? Any questions, guys? Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and draw for ln. Okay, really want you to understand the difference. Okay, that is why I'm doing it here. Okay, x, f of x. What will it be? What are the values I'm going to use? You know, see, always for logarithmic graphs, the easy x values are 1 by the base. 1 by the base is very easy to put. Okay. Second value will be exact. I would choose what? I would choose 1. Second value you can choose 1. And then the third value I would use the base value. Okay, these three values I'll try. Okay, it's easy to find out the log of that. Okay. Now, so I'm going to have 1 by e as my first value. Second value for x will be equal to 1. Third value will be equal to e. When this becomes e, this is already log base e, correct? So of 1 by e, the first is that. If you put it in the calculator, you'll get the answer. Second one is this. Okay, log base 1, log 1, any base is 0. So that I'll put. And then log e base e, when the number and the base are the same, it becomes, entire thing becomes 1. Now log base e of 1 by e is a minus 1. Okay, now 1 by e is nothing but 1 by 2.713, right? So it's going to be a very small value, and that's equal to minus 1. You see, it's equal to a minus 1. However, 1 is a 0, you see, but e is 2.73 is a 1. You get it? So what happens here? It's almost the same graph, But then what happens? It's going to go a little up. Any questions, guys? So that's the difference between log and ln. Both are logarithmic functions though. Now you know what we are going to do. Coming to the domain and range, how are we going to say this? Here, in both the functions, the domain is x greater than 0. There is no equal to. X equal to 0 is a vertical asymptote. So at x equal to 0, logarithmic functions are not defined. Okay. Now x is greater than 0. Y is what? Y will be what? Y values are?
Less than 0.
Uh,
Or wait, no.
what happened? Y values are not less than 0, right, Ma? It's minus infinity, less than y is less than infinity, right? Y value can range any negative, any positive, right? Does it make sense? And how is the end behavior? As x tends to, how is the end behavior? Left
X
side, what is the minimum x value? As x tends to 0, y tends to?
negative infinity.
Negative infinity. As x tends to plus infinity, y tends to?
Infinity.
Infinity. Good job, guys. Okay. Now, what is the asymptote? What is the vertical asymptote? What is the vertical asymptote?
0.
Good job. X equal to 0. Correct? Okay. And now, I don't know. Yeah, I can ask you a couple more. Let's see.
Okay. Do I need this?
1 second, guys. Yes, looks like it.
Okay, so I'll keep this up.
The $25. Okay. So let's see. Let me ask you more questions. End behavior we discussed. Okay, what are the x-intercepts, guys? What are the x-intercepts? What are the x-intercepts? In both the graphs, what are the x-intercepts?
X equals to 0.
Yup. So wherever y equal to 0 are the x-intercepts. Okay. That's it. For now, we are good. We are good discussing the properties of logarithmic graphs. Now, I have questions for you. Let's see how is this. Okay. So, I'm going to give you an equation. Basically, I will give you an equation. You are going to find out how the transformation works. Okay. Now, I have the function. This is my parent function. Okay. This is my parent function. I'm going to give you a function minus 2 log base is 2 x minus 1 minus 2. This is my transformed function. Okay. So I'll tell you. Okay. Asymptote we saw, right? X equal to 0 was the asymptote. In my parent function, x equal to 0 was an asymptote. Okay. And then one of the reference point, base is 2, right? So, reference points were, let me see, 1, 0, 2, 1. These are my reference point. I am giving you, okay? Now, tell me, in the transform graph, what is the asymptote? I gave you in the parent graph. What is the asymptote? The 1, 0 of the parent graph changed to what in the transform graph? 2, 1 in the parent graph changed to what in the transformed graph? I'll wait for you to tell me. Not a hard one, but it's again function transformation. Ananjay, are you able to do Ananjay?
I'm a little bit confused on how to do this. Can you explain, please?
Yes, I will definitely explain.
Right, thank you.
Abhiram, are you able to do?
Yeah, I'm finishing it up.
See, when you want function transformation, right, the best way is to draw the table. Okay, if I were you, I will draw the table for sure. Okay, I'll always draw the table. This is the transformation that we studied in August last year. Same thing will apply for every function. Okay, so for me to draw any transformed graph, I'll start with my verbal description. What is my verbal description of the transformation? First, I want to see what has changed. Okay, one is, see, what is this? This is a reflection on x-axis. It will affect the y coordinate. Then what happened here? Right by 1, that will affect the x coordinate. Then down by 2, that will affect the y coordinate. Any question, Ananjay, till here? Abhiram, are you able to get that, ma?
Yeah, I'm answering it right now. Just putting it in.
Okay, so that's the verbal description. I wrote out which coordinates are affected. Okay, so the base are, these are x comma y coordinates, right? Now I'm going to draw the table. Okay, table will say my parent function and transform. This is my parent, this is my transform function. Okay, so I will start writing x and y. But how did x and y change in my transform function? The x coordinate, right, this was the only effect on x coordinate. Right by 1 means it added 1 in the transform function. Y coordinate, how did it change? Reflection on x axis means it negated, it became a minus y. Down by 2 is subtract 2. Make sense? Navneet, are you with me?
Yeah.
Okay, nice. So I told you x equal to 0 was an asymptote, 1 comma 0, 2 comma 1 were the points, x equal to 0 was the asymptote here, right? Now, how the x coordinate changed? It went right by 1. So x equal to 1 will be my asymptote here. Very easy if you write the verbal description. What happened to x? X was always added 1. So let me write that as 2 and 3. Y, what happened? You negated y. Minus 0, minus 2. Here, minus 1, minus 2. So what happened to my points? Did I get it right? I don't know. Let's see. 2 comma minus 2. This point is correct. The second point is 2 comma 1, right? 2 comma 1, what happened to it? So when I negate my y, it is minus 1, and then down by 2. Down by 2 is a minus 2. So it became a minus 3. Did you all get this, guys?
Isn't there a vertical stretch
Yeah,
of
see? Yes, thank you. Very nice. I missed that. I honestly missed that. See, this one I did not write. Vertical stretch by 2. I missed it, so it affects the y coordinate. So what happens here? It got negated, so minus, but then there is a vertical stretch. Thank you, Abhiram. Very nice of you. Minus 2y minus 2. So the 0 does not change much. Okay, you will see the change only here. Substitute 1 instead of y. If you substitute, it becomes minus 2 minus 2 minus 4. So nice of you, Abhiram. Good catch. Any questions? So 1 comma 0 on the parent became 2 comma minus 2. 2 comma 1 on the parent became 3 comma minus 4. You also got the same thing, Abhiram?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks. Any questions? You have to tell me if you have any questions. Yeah. Yeah, nice guys. Most of you got it. Much better than me now. Nice. Okay, how about this? Okay, one last one I'll give you. Okay. I'll give you maybe one more. Yeah, one last. I don't want to give you this. Hold on. Should be a little tough. So easy ones are useless. Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? Okay, how about this? G of x will be equal to half ln x plus 2 minus 3. Okay, asymptote, you have to find out the asymptote. Okay, and I'll always, for reference points are 1 comma 0, b comma 1. B is the base, ma. B is always the base. Okay, those are the reference point in a logarithmic function. 1 comma 0, always the intercept is 1 comma 0, right? X intercept, and then b comma 1. Chetan, I can see that you have joined.
Yeah.
Done. So basically this is half, right? That is hard. Let's see. Sricharan, is that the answer? Yeah, Sricharan. Minus 1 comma minus 3. Oh wow. I'll help you, ma'am. Oh wow. Nice, guys. Aryan, nice. 2 minus 2.5 minus. Ashita, is that right? I'm lost, Ashita. That seems incorrect, Ashita.
I'll double check.
The 1 comma 0 point seems wrong. I don't know, okay, but I'm just telling, just check.
I'll check.
Yeah. Wow, Navneet, very nice. Navneet, is the class now okay, Navneet? You said it was like with the acceleration coming in, it was hard on you, right? Navneet, how is it now?
Yeah, it's pretty all right now.
Yeah, don't worry. Meaning, see, there's a lot of reviews or sad practices that are extra given. So I don't want, meaning I don't want any kid to be whiling away as well. You see, we are all working towards the betterment. So in that case, just forget those assignments. Make sense?
Yeah.
The regular class will always go. Okay, you all should get a good grip of algebra 2. Okay, Abhiram, that is right.
I fixed my answer. I edited it.
Okay, I can check now. Anya, did you get it, ma?
Yeah, I got it.
Okay. So I'm going to help. Okay, there are people who didn't understand, so that's okay. So let's see. Ananji, did you get it? Sahana, I know I'm not getting answers. I don't know whether I should ask or not.
Yeah, I'm doing it. I didn't get a chance to watch last week's class, so I'm like kind of.
I see. So verbal description. What are the? This is just a general one, ma. This is not based out of the last class. Okay, any transformation, I'll go with verbal description. So what are they? It's a vertical compression by half. Then what are they? Left by 2, down 3. So it affects what coordinates? Vertical compression affects y. Harshika. Any questions still here?
No.
Left by 2 affects x, down 3 affects y. So I have noted down all the coordinates that are getting affected and how. Okay. Now my earlier points were, I'm going to draw the table for these. Okay. Table for these, parent and transformed. This is parent, this is transformed. Parent was x comma y. These are the points 1 comma 0, b comma 1 and the asymptote. Asymptote was what? This is a ln function, right? So x equal to 0 is the asymptote, okay, by default. Okay, now what happened to x? How am I going to change x in my transform function? This is the only change. Left by 2 means x became x minus 2. For the y, right, what happened? Half y minus 3. Half y minus 3. So now we'll start substituting 1 instead of x. So that will be minus 1. 0 instead of y. So 1 comma 0 became minus 1 comma minus 3. Harshika, am I with you?
Yeah, I understand.
Okay, Sahana, am I with you?
Yeah.
Okay. B comma 1. What should I do? B I have to substitute instead of x, right? That becomes b minus 2. Now 1 I have to substitute instead of y, right? So half minus 3 is minus 2.5. Asymptote x equal to 0 means it went left by 2. So asymptote became x equal to minus 2. Any questions, guys? Anya, I'm not getting your answer. I am not sure where you are, what you're doing.
No, yeah, I'm getting it.
Getting it, okay. Now, guys, I don't want to give the points change, but you know what? I want to give you a graph and hold on. Yeah, some word problems we have to check. Let's see. Okay, I would love to give this. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Okay, I really want you to be able to use calculators very well at the end of algebra 2, right? So how about this? There is a radioactive isotope. Ananjay, are you comfortable with the questions where you're asked for transformations? Ananjay?
Yeah.
Okay, so there is a radioactive isotope fluorine 18. Okay, now it is used in medicine to produce images of internal organs and detect cancer. It decays to a stable element oxygen 18. Okay, it decays to oxygen 18. Let me write that down. Okay, now the table gives the percent of fluorine 18 that remains in a sample over a period of time. So I'm going to write the time in hours. Okay, now percent of fluorine 18 that remains. Okay, I'm going to give you the graph 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, now, okay, at 0 point, it was 100% of fluorine 18 that was in the body. That went to 68.5% after 1 hour. It went to 46.9 in the second hour. It went to 32.1 in the last hour. Now, I would like you to tell me the exponential model that represents this data. Number 1. Okay. Then I want you to be able to find the inverse of the exponential model. Find the inverse of the exponential model. Let me write it down. You can start, okay? Find inverse of the model. Can we try, guys? After rewriting it with the base of E. That's a tricky question. After rewriting it with base E. Rewriting with base E. Okay, let's take it slow. First, explain the model. Explain the exponential model.
Miss Priya,
Yes, ma'am.
what does it mean by rewriting with base E?
There is an exponent, right?
Yes.
That can you convert to ln?
Oh,
You see what I mean, huh?
yeah.
Mm,
Wait, what's ENP? Like, what's the ENP model?
what is the
What's the ENP?
exponential? You have to find. You have to do
Oh, ENP.
exponential regression first.
Mm-hmm.
Can you do that? I need to do this and see. I have to do this and see, guys. Okay. Let me see. Go ahead with yours, okay?
Auntie, I'm a little bit confused. Can you help me out?
Yes, absolutely, ma'am. One second.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Exponential regression, are you finding it tough, guys? Abhiram, did you get the exponential model first?
Oh, yeah, I'll get that real soon.
But this one as well. Ln y by 100. Oh wow, that's correct, Abhiram. Y by 100 divided by 0. Yeah. Mm-hmm. No, not a hard one.
My answer right?
Yeah, I'm checking. It's a little bit of. I mean, since we have not done it, right? It's a little hard. T of P will be equal to ln P by 100. Oh wow, Anya, that's right, ma. Very nice. What's the inverse? But what happened to the exponential model, ma, Anya?
Oh yeah, let me put that too. I was just typing it.
Inverse of the model. Ashita, somewhere something feels wrong to me. Why? But I asked you to use base E, right, Ashita?
For the inverse itself?
Yeah, see the question there. Find inverse of the model after rewriting with base E.
Okay. I don't know how to do that.
See, instead of log, you're going to change it to ln. That's all.
That's it? So you
Yeah,
just
that's it. See, instead of taking the base as 10, you take the base as E on both sides. Yes,
okay.
ma, Aryan, please go. Yeah, that's right, Anya. How about Sricharan? Okay. Sricharan, 100 times 2 power. Is it right? I don't see 2 power. Oh, 100 times 2. Why 100 times 2, Sricharan?
100.2.
Oh, 100.2. Okay. Where does that point 2 come from? 100, right?
I just did the regression calculator, gave me that.
You did the regression calculator, okay. Okay. Ln x by 100.2. No, that doesn't seem right to me. The second answer doesn't seem right, Sricharan. Abhiram, that seems right to me. 100 e power of. I am lost, Abhiram. Exponential model is what?
Like the exponential model, like the original one, not like the inverse of it?
I thought, okay. Did you do exponential regression on the table? Sorry. Did you do exponential regression on the table? Table values?
Mm-hmm.
That's what you did, right?
Yeah.
If you did exponential regression on the table, right? Oh, to the base E you did, huh?
Yeah. Oh, did you not want me to do base E?
No, not for the exponential model, right?
Oh, wait, this is...
Yeah, yeah. Meaning, I don't know how you did it. See, for the what would I have done is 0, 100, 168.5, 246.9, 332.1. You should have typed in and then gone to exponential regression and then see the equation, write the equation. That's all. That's the exponential model, right? Am I making sense?
Yeah, you made
Or should
sense.
I do it on the board?
I mean, can you do that?
Yeah, sure. Ananjay, did you get it?
I was graphing the exponential model.
You are graphing the exponential model. Let me take a screenshot and then go back to the. If I go there, I lose this actually. Okay, so let me go now. I'll stop screen share. I'll go to the. Harshika, are you able to do, or do you need help, ma?
I need help.
Okay, no problem. Navneet, did you do, or you need help?
I need help too.
Okay, sure. So this was the question, guys. Okay, please copy the table. One of you are going to read out the values to me. Okay, I'm going to share again. I'll go to calculate. We'll do one by one because I want you guys to really understand what is exponential. See, they give you the table. They are asking for an exponential model. Whatever model they're asking, you're going to find out that regression. Okay, 100, 68.5, 46.9, 32.1. They want an exponential model. So what would I do? I'll go to stat, edit, then I'll start entering my values 0, 1, 2, 3, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, right? Now I'll go to the next row, that is L2 stands for the Y values, right? 100, 68.5, then 46.9, then 32.1. Any questions, guys? Any question till here? Now what I do is again go to stat, calc. What type of regression you need, you have to choose. Exponential model means exponential regression, that's all. So you have this, see, x list is the x values they are meaning. X list stands for L1 is what we typed, right? Y value stands for Y2. Now come down, enter. Oh, what happened? 1 second, guys. Okay. Okay. L1, L2 frequency list. Store the regression equation. That's what it's asking. Do you want to store the regression equation? Yes. I want to store it in vars, y vars. As a function, I want to store it. Y1 function will tell me the regression equation. Then I click enter, calculate. Do you see it here? So here the equation is y equal to a b power of x. A value is 100.02. Did you see that? Ananjay, are you okay? Okay, 100.02. B is what? 0.68, right? So 0.6847. 0.6847. Yeah, that is correct. Power x is the t value here. This is the time, right? This was the amount, right? So power t. Okay. Any question? This was the exponential model. Any questions on this? Harshika, did you get ma?
Yeah, I understood.
How about Navneet, you understood?
Yeah.
See, for the same thing, how do you find out which model is better? You know? Okay, what you do, there is no correlation given. Do you see the R value is not given? So what you do is, you go to diagnostics, mode, Okay, you go to diagnostics on. Where is that diagnostics? Start diagnostics on. Okay, then if you do that, again go to stat, calc. When you go to exponential regression is what they asked. So I'll go to exponential regression. Okay, now just calculate this. So you have that in here, right? 0.99999. That's the best regression. Mine, it's almost equal to 1. It's a negative because the amount goes on decreasing, right? So it's a negative correlation. However, this is the best correlation model. Suppose you want to check which model is better. If they ask you like that, right? Go to calc. You can do all sorts of regression and see. Okay. Let me do quadratic regression and see what happens to quadratic regression. Where is quadratic? Here we go. You go here. Okay, L1, L2, all that is the same. Okay, calculate. Here you see R square is here, right? R value isn't here. Okay, like that, when you look at the R value, right, whichever is most near, whichever is very, very, very near to 1, that dictates that is the best model, because the correlation should be matching your R value. So here, again, when I go to other regression types, right, any regression you can do it and see. Okay, you see R square is coming. Why R is not coming? Oh wow, this model is okay. Now again I go to start. Let's see, calc, linear regression. Okay, definitely this is not the best one. You see 0.986 is coming. Yeah, actually, okay, when they ask you to find out which model works best, they'll give you more values. Okay, only one of them will suit. Okay, whichever is near to -1 or +1 will suit the most. Okay, this question has asked you to give only a regression model. Give a regression model means give an exponential regression model they have given. So you have to perform exponential regression and write out the equation. Any questions? Okay, now I'll go back. Here we go. The second question is saying, oh, our exponential model, I forgot to write down. What was the exponential model? I think this was it, right? So this is, let's say, portion remains P. P of T, right? This was 100.02 times 0.685 power T. That was the exponential model, correct? This was T, this was P. Now find the inverse. So what do you do on this? So P by 100.02 would be 0.685 power T. How do you change it to base? By rewriting to base E. How do I rewrite it to base E? Can I take ln on both sides? That's the best way to write it with base E. So this one would be P by 100.02 would be equal to T ln 0.685. One second, guys. Okay, now T ln. Now I just need to find out for T, right? So basically this was for P. My inverse should go ahead and say for T. T equal to equation is what I need to get, right? So what would you do? Ln of 0.685. When you put it in the calculator, it is approximately equal to minus 0.38. So minus 0.38 T will be equal to ln P by 100.02. Divide by minus 0.38 on both sides. What do you get? Here, this will be the final one you get. Minus 2.65 you will get. Okay, this is 1 by minus 0.38 is minus 2.65. Then you get ln P by 100.02 will be equal to T. Any questions, guys? Any questions? Harshika, Navani, did you get it?
Yes.
Okay, that was a good one. Okay, now let's go ahead and try condensing and expanding. Okay, how about this? Okay. Coming to properties of logarithms, we have analyzed this before is what I think, but I don't remember. Okay, properties of logarithms. Let's go ahead and analyze properties of logarithms. Okay. Here we go. One is product property. Again, the same exponent properties like that. We have same properties for logarithms. Product property says log, if you have two numbers, any base consider, okay? If there are two numbers multiplied here, you can write it out as log m base b log n base b. If it is division, let's say you have any base m by n, then you can write it out. You can expand it as log m base b minus log n base b. Okay, now you also have the power property. This is the quotient property. This is exactly similar to our exponential functions. Okay, then you have the product property, quotient property. Then what do you have? Then you have the power property, right? Power property says, what is that power property? Log base b, you have a number, and then if you have power n, the n can always be written at the back. This is a property. N can be written at the back, and you say this. Okay, then the last one, this is based out of definitions. There are some definitions you need to know. When the log base and the number is the same, you know what happens? Let's say there is a power. When this is the same, this becomes an entire 1. Okay, that means, meaning this becomes the exponent. Here, the base and the number is the same, right? It has a power. So it can be written as m log b base b, but this becomes a 1. As a result, the entire answer becomes m. Okay, this one you need to remember. Okay, so what is that here you need to remember is log b base b will always be 1. That's something you need to remember. And always be at any base, log 1 is 0. Okay, log 1 is 0. Okay, base is not equal to 1. Base is not equal to 1. Any questions? Any questions here? Okay. This one last property you need to know. We observed 1, 2, 3. These are all definition based properties. Okay. 4 different sets of properties we understood. But there is one important property. How to change the bases in logarithms. Suppose if you have some base, we don't know what is the base, but the number is a, let's say. How do you change it to ln or log? You can write it out as, you can convert to any base, okay? Log base b. First, if you have log base b, you're changing to base b, then first you have to take the log of that number, divide by, again log to whatever base you're changing, and then log c base b, log of the original base, and to the, this is the converted base. So now suppose you want to do this one, you want to convert it to ln. Ln is base e, right? So here I will write it out as ln is base e. Okay, I can just write ln, or I have to write it out as log base e. Okay, ln a, first the number is ln, divide by ln of the base. This is how you convert. Or you can as well write it out as log a base e, log c base e. If you want to convert to log, that is to base 10, right? How will I write? Log a divide by log c. Okay, the new base is 10. Okay, first with the new base, you take the log of that number, divide by the log of the original base. Any questions? Any questions here? Okay, I'm going to give you, let me do one problem. I'll give you one problem to solve. Okay, I have this. Okay, how do you simplify this? How do you simplify this? Okay, they're added. You see the same base, but they're added. So I can condense them and write it out as 1 by 25. These two numbers I can multiply and write down, right? But this is a 25. Now I get log 25 base 5. However, this is a composite number. I can write it as a prime power. Remember? Now after this I can put the 2 in front. 2 log 5 base 5. Remember, when the base and the number are the same, it becomes 1. So it simplifies to 2. Any questions? Any questions? Okay, how about, can you simplify this one for me? I would like you to simplify this one. What? How about this? I want you to be able to simplify well. Let's see. Okay, how about this? Log 5 base 4. Log 5 base 4 plus log 12 base 4 minus log 3.75 base 4. Can we try, guys? You don't need a calculator at all. Please don't use calculators on this. Teeny tiny bit difficult, but you don't have to use calculators. If you need help, let me know, guys. Aryan, very nice to see your answer, Aryan. Sri Charan, nice. Anya, you can still simplify, ma.
Oh, do you want me to simplify further?
Yeah, Harshika, that's right. You have to simplify. Ananjay and Abhiram, did you get it?
Yeah, it's been my answer. Is it
Oh,
correct?
you sent it? Okay, I did not see, ma. 1 minute. Sorry.
Oh,
Oh,
my
yeah.
mouse is kind of lagging, but I understand.
What, ma?
Oh, my laptop's kind of lagging, but I understand it.
Okay, good. So here there's a plus, right? It's the same base. When you look at it, it's the same base. So I can just shorten it as 5 times 12. There is a minus in here. That comes in the denominator, right? Because of the minus. So this is 3.75, right? However, what is this? 12 times 5 is 60, right? 60 by 3.75. Or I can write this out as 6000 by 375. When I do that, right, this becomes 16, right? So, but 16 is a composite number. So, what I can do, 4 power 2, because I'm trying to match it with the base. Even if it's a composite number, 4 square I can write. So, this 2 comes here. 2 log 4 base 4. This becomes 1. So, it simplifies to 2. Any questions? Okay. One final problem, guys. With that, I'll let you go. Okay. But this one is more of a word problem. Okay. That way we end a subtopic nicely. Okay. So this is the last one. Okay. Now magnitude. Okay. M denotes apparent magnitude of a star. This is more into science. Okay. I don't want to explain what is apparent magnitude now. Okay. M represents apparent magnitude of a star. The big M represents absolute magnitude of a star. You should know what is an apparent magnitude and absolute magnitude. That you can Google later. Okay. Absolute magnitude of a star. Okay. So here M minus M will be equal to 5 log D by 10. This is the given equation. Okay. D is the distance of the star from Earth. Distance of star from Earth. Okay. Measured in parsecs. The distance is measured in parsecs. Okay. This is all science. Okay. Now, I want to find the distance. Find the distance of a star. Find the distance of a star. Okay. I'll tell you the name of the star. Okay. Rho O. from Earth. We're going to find the distance of the star from Earth. Okay. What we know is the star Rho Ope has apparent magnitude of 5. Apparent magnitude of 5. Absolute magnitude of minus 0.4. Can you do that for me? Just if you do that, please, you can use calculators. If you get the answer D in parsecs, please send it to me and you can read if it's right.
Wait, the absolute magnitude is minus 0.4 or just 0.4?
Minus 0.4, ma.
Okay.
I'm glad you asked. Not a difficult question, but just tells us that you are able to handle these questions.
What do we round it to?
What do I round it to? To the nearest a tenth, maybe. Can we do that to the nearest tenth? No? Not a hard one, honestly, but yeah. Anya, did you understand the previous one, Anya?
Yeah, I submitted my answer after that.
No, I didn't get it.
I put it though.
Ashrita, correct, ma? Navneet, I'm waiting for your answer. Anya, I'm checking, Anya. I didn't get it. Yeah, ma.
So I think I understand, but can I like walk through it and then you kind of like help me through it?
Yeah, sure. Abhiram, I'm waiting. Okay, yeah. I will do it. Ashrita, you can leave, ma.
So,
Bye, Miss Priya.
Bye, ma.
The first thing you have to do is like the apparent magnitude, and then you subtract it by the absolute, which would make it 5.4, right? Because 5 minus.
Exactly. Yes.
And then it's log base 10 d10, but because of the property, you can move the 5 to like the power of d over 10, right?
Correct, agree.
Okay, and then
Or you know what, Aryan? I would do divide by 5, Aryan.
Right. You can also do that.
Yeah.
I forgot about that.
So the easiest way to but what is the easiest way to solve this here? Log is there. You have to remove the log, right?
Yeah.
So what do you do? You can do this log d minus log 10. See, because 5.4 divided by 5 will be equal to log d minus log 10.
Whoa.
What is log 10?
Oh, yeah. You can
That's easy, right? Log 10 is 1.
Mm-hmm.
Add the 1 here. This goes off. So log d is this.
Is equal to that.
Yep.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it's easy, right? Then you can change it to exponential function otherwise.
Oh, okay.
Or here itself you could have changed to exponential function. Anything works, okay? There are multiple ways of solving this.
Wow, I didn't think of that. Okay, thank you.
Navneet, are you with me?
Yeah, I just got it, yeah.
Okay. So what is the answer, guys? 1? I'm just waiting for the answer. Whoever solves you can leave. Yeah, Harshika, good job. 10 power of 1.08, no, Sri Charan. How did you get that, Sri Charan? So I have this. 5 plus 5. 10.4 I am getting. 10.4 divided by 5, right? Let me write it down here. 10.4 divided by 5 equal to log D. Okay. So 10.5 divided by 4 is 2.08. Yeah. So I'll write it down here. 2.08. Sorry, I'm writing all over the place. So 2.08 will be equal to log D. How do you solve that? Everything base 10 change to exponential function, meaning you can raise it to 10 power. 10 power log D. This is log base 10, right? So raise everything to the exponent. When you take, see, the inverse of this multiplication, you divide, right? Like that, if you take exponent of this, then it becomes just D. This is 10 power. You're putting to 10 power. 10 power of 2.08. 10 power of 2.08 is your answer, which is 120. Any
That's what I
questions?
got.
Oh, sorry. Yes, sorry. I did not see. I was only checking for 120. Sorry, Sri Charan. I'm really sorry. Any questions?
No, auntie.
Okay, I'll stop here, guys. If you have any questions, stay. Otherwise, we'll see you next class.
Okay.
Thank you, auntie.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye, guys.
Yeah,
Bye,
bye.
Miss Priya.
Bye,
Thank
guys.
you. Bye, Miss Priya. Thank you.
Bye, Ma. Anya, did you enjoy your vacation?
Oh, yeah.
Had fun?
Yeah.
Where did you go?
We went to Arizona.
Oh, wow. Nice. Good for you. Back to school now?
Yeah.
Okay, Ma. Bye-bye.
Yeah. Bye. Thank you.